The ladies been asking for it, the fellas been asking for it. I keep getting many requests to do an UGG video. I said I got y'all, man. I'm finna give y'all my technique on how to restore and fix UGGs. Let's get to it.
They asking how I get this damn cold. When my nigga on my own damn Prodigy.
Man, it's been a question for years, man. How you get creases out of UGGs? How you pop them back up? Man, it's all smushed. Look, ladies, it's not rocket science, man. And fellas too, y'all listening, y'all watching, just stuff them with plastic bags. Gee, it's not that hard, bro. I'm not doing nothing special. Some people think I'm buying new shoes. I done heard it all at this point, but just stuff them with plastic bags. That's it. They're gonna pop back to normal. And then you, after that, you're all good. Trust me, just plastic bags, nothing special. It's time to get these boys back clean. I'm not using nothing special. You already know my handy dandy blue soap and soft bristle brushes. When you clean the UGGs, make sure you clean the whole shoe. Like I said, soft bristle brush. Don't use no other brushes. Maybe you can use a wire brush for the sole, but that's about it. Only soft bristle brushes for the cleanup.
I get a couple clones, I'll be flattered, but it really wouldn't bother me.
For this back panel of UGG, where it say UGG in the back, get a slightly harder soft bristle brush, because sometimes it's a little tougher dirt and harder area to clean. So get a slightly harder soft bristle brush, hit that up. I guarantee the stain to come out. After the cleaning process is done, make sure you let these boys dry for a couple hours. UGG, then they'll take a whole day to dry. I like to put mine under a fan, but leave them there for a day and let them dry. Listen, it's the most important part, man. It's time to unnap the suede. But this method, I call this scraping the toes. For real though, listen to me. I've been doing this for literally years. You're unnapping your suede and you're getting rid of all the old hard UGG material that's been sitting on top of this shoe. It's gonna get all the stains out, all the marks out. Use a brass brush. It's gonna get majority of them stains out and get your suede back to soft and looking good again, like it came out the box. Trust me, I know you timid, like I don't know if I should do this, but I've been doing this for years. I'm never gonna steer y'all wrong. Trust me. Now look at that suede. That suede all good. It's back soft, man. Trust me, your boy know what he doing. Like I said, I've been doing this for years. I'm going to even show y'all a worse shoe than this with water stain. This is perfect for people that wear their UGGs in the wintertime. I don't suggest, but this for people that do. If you wear your UGGs in the wintertime, I guarantee your shoes look like this when they all dry. You got water damage all on your shoes, man. You gotta get that out. Using the scrape the toast method will get all that shit out in the front. Make it look normal. Now watch how I do this method again on this worst shoe. The end result, you're gonna be amazed. I'm getting all of that old UGG off, all that water stain, all the salt that's been in this shoe. She been wearing this shoe for the whole winter. I'm giving y'all the free game. This is literally what you have to do. So watch how I do it at first and then see the end results. Upcoming rapper, I just need to be a top 3. Fuck anybody that's feeling the need to knock me. I could give a damn thinking that it stopped. Stop playing with me, boy. Look how I got them UGGs back in the game, man. Soft, look normal, suede even now. I'm touching the other one. It's crusty crab. It's all hard. The water stain's still in there. The salt's still in there. I do this. I give y'all the free game. This makes me thousands of dollars every winter, man. I just gave y'all all the sauce though, right there. We all done. That's it. Man, look how I got them UGGs back in the game. They was dusty, crusty, dirty. They back good. Water stains. Like, I really just say this lady life, man. Like, if you like the video, if I helped you make some money, I just gave you the free sauce, man. Like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, man. Without the ladies, I'm nothing, man. Y'all made me a lot of money. Y'all really helped me out. Now I got to get back to the people and help them out. So I really appreciate it. I be working too damn hard, I ain't been asleep. I pay attention to the shit, it's a lot to peep. I get better with this shit like I unlock the cheat.